Imagine making money overnight from videos you never filmed, edited, or even voiced yourself. That's the power of YouTube automation with AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a fully automated YouTube channel using only AI tools. YouTube automation with AI is one of the simplest online business models today. You pick a niche, create faceless videos, and AI handles almost everything. You'll learn how to choose a profitable faceless niche, let AI handle scriptwriting, voiceovers, and video editing, and how to publish and schedule your videos so your channel runs while you sleep. Let's dive into the production flow of a YouTube automation channel. The old way required multiple roles, like scriptwriters and editors. The new way replaces these with AI tools that work instantly, consistently, and cheaply. The entire system is simple: AI script, AI voice, AI video editor, AI thumbnail, and scheduled publishing. Your first decision is your niche, which determines how quickly you grow. You want a niche with high search demand, evergreen interest, and content that AI can support visually. Some of the best faceless niches include motivational, business, AI tutorials, and productivity tips. ChatGPT can also help you find ideas. Next, let's create your scripts and voiceovers with AI. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write a 900-word YouTube script with a strong hook, clear sections, and an uplifting tone. You can refine it for tighter pacing and storytelling. AI voice generators like 11 Labs or PlayHT will bring your script to life. Aim for 165 to 180 words per minute and balance your audio levels. Now let's build your video and design an eye-catching thumbnail. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, and VEED can create entire videos automatically. Upload your script, and the AI editor will generate matching visuals, captions, and transitions. Thumbnails are crucial for growth. Use Canva or Midjourney with ChatGPT to create bold, contrasting designs under 4 words for maximum impact. Once your video and thumbnail are ready, it's time to publish and schedule. Upload your video to YouTube Studio. Add your optimized title, description, tags, and custom thumbnail, then schedule your release. Batching your videos allows you to schedule a full week of uploads in less than an hour, creating consistent publishing that the algorithm loves. That's the full blueprint for building your YouTube automation channel with AI. We covered niche selection, AI-powered scriptwriting, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnail design, and consistent publishing. Turn 1A, I generated video into an entire content system that multiplies across platforms. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for more step-by-step systems.